In today's video, I'll show you how to freeze a frame on CapCut PC, and I'll show you how to use that freeze frame in your project or export it to be reused in other projects. In my timeline, I have this video of this ballet dancer, and I want to freeze the frame right when she lifts her leg. So I can just pause the video using spacebar around that part, then use the left or right arrow key on my keyboard to get the perfect frame. Now, once you get a perfect frame, select the clip and click on this icon right here to freeze the frame. Now, what CapCut does is that it creates a freeze frame between the video. If I replay this, you will notice that it freezes the frame right there, holds it for a few seconds, 5 seconds or 3 seconds, and then continues the action. You can adjust the duration of the freeze frame how you want it. If you want it shorter, just drag, reduce it. Or if you want it longer, just increase the duration of the freeze frame depending on your needs. Now, if I replay this, it's a shorter freeze frame. It goes back to the action. What if you want to save this freeze frame? To do that, select the freeze frame, click on this hamburger menu right here, click on Export Still Frames. Thereafter, name your freeze frame, select the folder where you want to export it and the resolution of your freeze frame. Then go ahead and choose the format of your freeze frame. If you have a full picture, you want to go with JPEG, but if you have a picture with a transparent background, you want to go with PNG. So this is a full image with no transparent background anywhere, so I'll just leave it at JPEG. Then if you want to re-import this, make sure you toggle this on until it turns blue. It will export the freeze frame to this folder and then import it as a file into your project. Let's go ahead and click on Export. That's how to create a freeze frame in CapCut. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time.